What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to bid on StockX, a popular marketplace for sneakers, streetwear, and collectibles. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to refine your bidding strategy, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with confidence and avoid common pitfalls. So let's begin. First, open any browser that's available on your device. Since all you need is a browser to do this, like mine, I use the Brave browser to do the tutorial. After you open any web browser, go to the website of StockX, click the search bar on your device and type stockx.com and StockX website. Make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already on the website and logged in. After you log into the website, just choose an item you want from this website. If you can find an item you want to bid on, you can use the search bar by clicking it. In the search bar, you can type the items you want to buy. For example, I search for random items I want to buy. As you can see, the item I search on appeared. It's up to you if you want to search for more by scrolling down and going to the next page, or you can choose an item that appeared when you search. For example, I'll choose this item, so let me click it. While we are on the item you choose, you can now bid on this item by clicking the Place Bid button. It's up to you how much you want to bid. Bidding on StockX can be straightforward with the right approach. By understanding the platform, setting up your account, and following the bidding process, you can confidently secure your desired products at competitive prices. Remember to research wisely and adjust your bids based on market trends. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.